copy for support. Scale for measurement. Glue from bleed paper. For circle, a cap, kitchen toy. Pencil, a sticker for a clip. Scissor for cutting. Cardboard for circle. Cardboard for circle of color. And finally, a two-color paper. We need also two-color paper. That is impossible. Let's start. Black paper cut in 20 and 20 centimeter cut. Let's cut now. Cut a square piece of a paper. Now let's fold. This folded stick a portion. How can one open? This will open. Now in glue it, let's put a cover. Paper डालेगा. It's finished. I'm making cycle. I will cut. Kite it is big. Let's put it this. Now I will paste it. It's finished. Oh, come on, easily. Yeah. Stick on this way. And then cut. Come on, scissors. Then cut. Guys, it is stick. Let's put it in this one or cup. Now it's 2 little big. This proper. Guys, stick a glue between this line. You can see it. Paste it. Guys, it is stick. Give me a little paper, Mom. Cut this again circle. Okay? And make a flower. We'll fold and fold and fold and cut. Like this. Come on. Now it is done. Let's cut. Cut a circle. Look, I cut a circle. Just open. How many it is? What a manner! It is a 6. 6. Let's cut now a flower shape. 4 like this. Now 4 like this. Come on, come on. It is. And last one, your family. Like this. Like this. Let's make a flower shape. I cut all these are flowered, and first flower 1 piece, 2 flower 2 piece, 3 flower 3 piece, and last one not cut in a piece. Let's start to cutting. I can cut the odd this shape like this. 1, 1, 2, 2. Let's start. Where is 1, 1? 1 and 1. 2 and 2. 3, 3%. 4, 4%. Finish. This one. These two are same. Let's glue it. Big portion with stick. Like this. Okay? Let's stick. And all cut and stick. And we will stick like this. Okay? Stick. And very small one. This one. That's it. I stick a flower like a Mary flower. It look like a real flower design. Yeah. Let's make a bow like a clip. I make a flower and bow and stripes. Let's stick it like this, of course. Honey, I'm stick a line, and now I will stick a glue. Yeah. And one more things. Go easily. Come on. Need to dry. Look, it's funny that dash work is very important. Look how look at video and subscribe. You come in my first time and click the bell and you will surprise. Bye bye to my new channel. Yes.